Guys, in this video I'll show you how you can craft a repair kit. So the first thing what you need to do here, you need to open up your inventory, and then here should be a recipe. So what you need to do here, you need to basically craft a recipe to get a repair kit. And once you do so, then you need to open up Workbench and then press on repair kit, and then you need, as you can see here, 5 branches to craft it. And to get the branch, you just need to find the nearest basically bush, then open up simply press F, and as you can see here, you will get your branch. And once you have your branch, go to basically your workbench, and then press on repair kit and craft it. After you craft it, basically repair kit will end up on your inventory, and then you can basically use it, right? So yeah, that's basically it. And if I helped you out, please press like.